Good day, ma'am. I'm Regine May Concha. So, number one is define what is management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources, such as people, finance, and material to achieve specific organizational goals efficiently and effectively. Number two, what are the functions of management and define each? Number one, planning. This involves setting objects and determining the best course of action to achieve them. Number two is organizing. This function focuses on arranging resources and tasks in a structured way to effectively implement implements. Third is leading. Also known as directing, this function involves guiding and